Alright, welcome to another video. My name is Kitse and today is a very exciting day for people in the USA and Japan who can already play the PlayStation 5. And I'm stuck here with the accessories and the games, but it's still exciting and I can't wait to open this. And maybe I'm shaking it too much near the microphone and it's pissing you off, but I don't give a flying bird, because birds are Anyway, roll the intro. We still don't, it's been...
Nope.
I've been doing these videos for 1.5. You still don't have... Roll something. Just roll a little thing.
It's just gonna flex.
Yeah,
New PlayStation stuff.
Alright, let's unbox. You know that I was using this trusty old thing you just did, you know, whoop. It's not that badass because it's a shitty IKEA knife, but it did the job. But I was like, what if I get like a real proper hunting, you know, those knives that people use in unboxing videos. So I got that. And here it is. And this, my friends, is excessively dangerous for the things I'm planning it to use for, opening shitty boxes. So when I got it for the first time, I had to watch a video of people using the knife because I had no idea if I'm doing it right. So if you're expecting me to flick it, I'm gonna stab myself with this. If you're expecting me to flick it in a cool way and just open it and then cut something and then close it, that's absolutely not happening. Because here's how I open it. You're gonna cry. Okay, so I guess this is unboxing the unboxing knife. Roll the drum roll.
No,
fuck it.
stupid.
It's an unboxing. Come on. So this is how you open it. Actually, that's what they say on YouTube, that you open it like this, but there must be a cooler way because this is way too... And then you cannot close it. Like, nope. Oh, actually... No, there it is. Now it's locked. Now you cannot close it. This is probably for safety. And I'm gonna show you how to close it after I open the box. This seems super dangerous for what it's doing. So opening the box, I can do this with like a nail clipper. But no, let's get a dangerous... Well, this might be useful, you know, for these stubborn boxes. They're not... Jesus Christ, how is this a... Cannot even cut it with... Maybe my IKEA knife was better. I'm gonna use my hands anyway. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the knife. So, how you close this thing is you cannot close it like this. I literally had to watch a video by someone closing this. I shouldn't I'm selling this as soon as possible. You just put this, like, down. Oh my fucking god, it's stuck. Absolutely selling this. Or just... What the fuck do I do with a knife? I cannot just leave it somewhere or throw it. It's suspicious. Let me just try again. Come on, kids, you can do this. You watch the... Ah, there it is. It clicked. So you need to click it. And then once you click it, you close it. Wabam, never gonna use it ever again. Just gonna put it in a drawer. This is not for me. Where's my IKEA knife? Freaking beautiful. I miss it. Flick. Cut. And that's how it works. IKEA for life. All right, so let's see what's in the... Oh, I've been with... Why does it say it in Polish? Fucking... Edycja Ultimate. Like I wanted... I don't care, it's gonna sit on the shelf anyway. First things first, PS5. First PS5 game, of course I'm going to play is Spider-Man Miles Morales. It's great that we're getting some PlayStation exclusives. What exclusives are you getting in Xbox land? Let me know in the comments. Actually, the comments will be empty if that's the only question, because there's no Xbox exclusive this launch. Sorry. And people say that this is like a DLC. It's not really a new game. It's absolutely a new game. It includes like a remastered version from the previous Spider-Man game. And the previous Spider-Man game is one of the best games ever. So I can't wait to play this. I have to open this. I'm gonna use my IKEA knife because I don't give a fuck.
Bless you!
Thank you. God bless you too.
I'm God literally.
Well, whoever you believe in, bless you too. This is the beginning of a new generation, PS5 generation, and I'm super excited to see just a disc. I went with a disc version of the PlayStation, by the way. There's a discless version. I went with a disc because I like having physical media. It's beautiful to look at. I can't wait to play this game. It's just mind-blowing how good, hopefully, it's going to be. Next up, the PS5 Remote. So, Kitse, why in the living fuck you got a remote for your PlayStation? We don't have a dedicated Blu-ray player, so we're using an Xbox. That's literally the only thing why an Xbox is good, for playing 4K media. Using a controller, you probably know this, if you're using a controller for controlling your media, it's a massive, massive pain in the ass, because you'll just leave the controller and accidentally it will skip or press like the forward button or whatever, and suddenly you see spoilers for the movie. It's super frustrating to use a controller to control any media, anything that's not a game. It's so frustrating. So I think that Sony knows this, and that's why they included this. Now, I'm gonna give the knife a second chance, because this time I think I'm gonna be more careful with it, and I know how. This is excessive, kids, and it's not even easy to cut with it. Like, are you kidding me? Fuck the knife. I don't have the patience for patient unboxings. Like, fuck all of that. I need to see the solution to my media problems. It's wrapped with millions of... Oh, it's actually small. Ooh, that's nice. When I saw this box, I was like, this is gonna be like a big and chunky remote. But this remote actually looks... It's very light, first of all, probably because it doesn't have batteries inside. But it's very small, and I would much prefer it to my clunky and big LG remote. Just look at this overly complicated, too many buttons, bullshit layout that LG has on the remote. And this is the PS5 remote. It has like a Netflix button, it has a Disney Plus, which we don't have in Poland yet. It has a Spotify, YouTube, fast forward, play, pause. Well, just look at it actually. You know what? Just look at it. There you go. This is what it looks like. That's way too bright and you cannot see shit. It's just a remote and it's more useful than having a controller. Let's move on. Okay, fuck, it's happening. I'm super excited. I can't believe that this is here already. When I saw it, there was a lot of hate online. They were like, oh, we didn't like it, it looks like it in the previous. Of course, people are gonna say that. This looks freaking amazing. I got an extra controller just when I have friends over. Hello. Yeah, we're gonna play with my girlfriend from time to time when I convince her that Overcooked is not that bad of a game and it builds the strength of our relationship and blah blah. Otherwise, it's gonna gather dust. So, it's time. I'm gonna pretend that I did that casually and I don't care that I'm gonna hurt myself for sure. Sony, these are weird boxes. Oh my god. Can't believe the moment is here. Now, I'm not an OG PlayStation 4 user. I was using PlayStation 2 and 3 back in the day, but I never had them in my home. I had a PS4 for a couple of years. I had a PS Pro for a couple of years. And this feels like it's the first time I'm gonna have a console from day one of the new generation. That's why this moment is like super, super special to me.
Drum roll, dumbass.
Like drum. We forgot it, I know. Give me drum rolls, angels, drum solos, metal music, all of it. It seems used. Who the fuck used this? Well, it cannot be used because there's no PlayStation in Europe yet. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. Now, is it going to get absolutely destroyed because the color is white and you're gonna eat chips and whatever? Absolutely yes. Like, the layout seems familiar. It seems very, very, very similar to the previous ones. But on the other hand, it's like super exciting and it has like a new texture. And if you zoom in far enough, this texture here is actually made from small X, square, triangle, circle things. Like, here's a picture. Like, I'm hopefully not lazy and you're looking at a picture here. Now, for a little comparison, I got this Xbox controller for my PC games and I've never played with Xbox before. And if you're watching my gaming streams, which you absolutely should, twitch.tv/KitsekGaming, come join me sometimes. For Rocket League, it's perfectly fine, but for Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1+2, you need to use these analog sticks in order to do like some particular tricks and shit. And these analog sticks never freaking works properly. So I had to play Tony Hawk with the arrows because I was losing my tricks because my things weren't registered properly. Looks aside, this, I fucking hate it. The vibration is not even close to what PlayStation has. And this new one has like new adaptive triggers that actually do things like this. I cannot try it yet, so I have to show you a little video. Like, they actually, when you fire a gun or whatever, they give you feedback, and it has like a new rumble engine, so when it vibrates, it's actually way better than what Xbox gives you. It's like a little PlayStation thingy. Is it gonna turn on? Is it gonna turn on? No, probably because it's not. Oh, it turned on! Maybe I can play PlayStation before my... I know, I can be like one of those people in the videos like Michael B. Jordan who pretended they're playing PlayStation just for the commercial. Let's go. God damn it, he killed! Like, it's so silly that Michael B. Jordan says that somebody killed him and he was literally staring at a black TV like nothing was there, there's no other players, he's like... And the movement of his fingers is like... Who plays like that? Like, you play like that if you're playing a fighting game where you don't know what you're doing but you're pretending you know all the combos and you're like, oh yeah, I'm killing this guy, yeah, that's awesome. Don't do that, Michael B. Jordan, you're better than that. You're in Black Panther. Like, come on, don't... Selling out for PlayStation, like seriously? Who would promote PlayStation products in a video? Like, what kind of dumbass would record a video for promoting PlayStation? Guys. So, initial feeling of the controller is amazing, but the real magic happens when you connect it and when you feel all the new triggers and rumbles. One more bonus compared to this Xbox thingy is this has a touchpad. And if you haven't felt or used it, it's super useful. And it's a great addition, and Xbox doesn't have it, so all I'm saying is suck it, Xbox, nothing else, that's it. No hate, but suck it. And if we compare it to the already freaking amazing PS4 controllers, it seems very familiar, but it seems a little bit, I don't know if it's lighter or heavier, I think it's a bit heavier, maybe I'm wrong. And it feels a bit bigger, so I think they made it like that because a lot of people are complaining about the ergonomics of this and they like the ergonomics of the Xbox One. So they made it a little bit bigger just so it fits better in the hand, I think. Overall, I freaking love it. I love the look and I love that it can magically charge on a magical dock, which is the last accessory that I got, and that's it. Bonus point, I got these little stickers, so when this lights up, it lights up with like this Spider-Man thingy. I don't know if you can see it right now because the light is too bright. Super freaking cool, and I think that's not gonna be possible on this one because this one doesn't have a light here. The light is only in the touchpad, so here goes my Spidey and Batman controllers. Oh my god, I'm getting the new PlayStation, I'm gonna miss the little lights.
Yeah.
Such problems that... Yeah, I know, it's
First
first world.
world
Shut up,
problem.
just shut up.
Yeah.
I got a third party for the PS4, third party accessory for charging the controllers because charging the controllers manually with a cable is a pain in the ass. It's nice when they sit, you know, on a thing and they just charge on the thing. But as you can see right now, this is a massive pain in the ass to get it right all the time. And I changed 3 docks before I got the final one that's actually working properly. So it's a pain in the ass to connect them. Sometimes they don't connect, sometimes they're blinking like they're charging, not charging, but it's pretty useful. So finally, PlayStation decided to release their own accessory, the charging dock thing. Let me show you. This pepperoni. It's called the DualSense charging station, and it actually looks like a mini PlayStation. So that's what I get. While USA already finished the 3 games, I'm sitting here unboxing accessories. Thank you, Sony. Thank you so much. Alright, last time to use this before I sell it and never use it again in my life because it's super dangerous, I don't know how to operate it, and it makes me nervous just holding it.
That's what you said.
Exactly. Alright, we didn't have any like, you know, can you give me some effect?
No,
Yeah, I know it's
no,
a charge. Yeah, I know,
no,
but
no.
just give me something,
No.
you know, to have like at least
Okay,
one.
okay.
It's another box. Okay, we have to do it again. Come on. It's a bunch of papers and
Nope,
stuff.
I'm done. Nope.
Okay, give me, yeah, I know, you're not giving me any more, so it has a little break for charging the things. It's nice that it's not a normal, like, USB thing. It's like a proper, fat charging dock thing. Okay, now is the moment.
No.
You ran out of... Come on, just give me the tiniest... Just give me the random thing.
No.
Yeah, that will work. There it is. This is as close as I'm getting to the place... Well, if you put it here, I can trick you with the perspective. Yeah, so I had a PS5 here, but it's, yeah, Sony said that we cannot review it and I cannot show you before it releases for everyone in Europe. They got me one, of course. And it's a bit far away, I cannot reach it to show you. So what I'm gonna do is show you the charging connector thing, and next time you're gonna see the PlayStation, okay? So, yeah, and, oh, where it disappeared. So I have this thing here, and it actually looks super dope compared to like the third party one. Well, I'm too lazy, but it looks pretty, say it, pretty freaking dope. Nice. And the real magic happens is you don't have to finick with, like, you know, putting the thing in the controller and whatever. You just put it here and it... Bitch. Ah, it's still finicky. I would say that this one, to be honest, is way more finicky than the third-party one. Like I want something that Apple should do. Already scratched my controller. Apple should do these things. Like this should just magically, snap. Oh, actually it does it. But you have to find the correct position.
That's what she said.
Exactly.
Okay,
one more time. It seems like it's not there, it's very... It clicks, but it takes a while. I don't like it, it's very finicky. I'll be honest, Sony, waste of money, because it's very finicky and I cannot just... Maybe when I plug it on, it has some indicator or whatever and it shows you that you actually are charging it, but it's not very Apple MagSafe magnet thing magic-y. It's very, let me get it right, is it gonna charge, is it not gonna charge? It's, nah, big downvote for this one. I don't know why I say downvote, but thumbs down vote. So that's it. The PS5 should be here in 5 days. Can't wait to unbox that. It's a massive, massive console. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna put it. So I'm looking forward to making that video after I spend probably a week playing Spider-Man. So I'm doing this for the thumbnail. Fuck, that's not gonna work. Is that a good thumbnail? I don't think that's a good thumbnail. This is gonna fall. No. I can just use whatever the fuck. I can use a frog on the thumbnail.